So far, we have learned how to use the sprites which are already there in the library. But is it possible to create our own sprites? Yes. So for that, what you can do is go to sprites, take this block called make a new sprite, click on the drop down arrow, and you will find this option called draw. So click on draw, and that's how you will get a canvas to draw your own sprite there. Now let's suppose we want to have a red flower somewhere in the grass yard. So here you will see the pen tool. The next is the filler, the paint bucket. Then there is eraser, and this is to draw a straight line. With pencil, usually your hand can go here and there, and the line may not come as straight as we want it to be. So this paint tool will draw a straight line at one go. Then there is a rectangle, and then there is a square, circle, and this is a selection tool. You can select a particular area by using that selection tool. And then there is a color picker. So for now, we will explore only the use of paint tool, and then perhaps eraser and the use of paint buckets. So let's draw a flower which is of red color. I'll pick up the pen tool and I'll try to draw a flower. Now, as you can see, this doesn't look like a good flower. I'm not very happy with it. So I'll go to eraser and I'll try to erase it. Now you can choose the size of the eraser. Here, this is the tiniest size available and this is the largest. So for now, I'll pick up the largest eraser size and I'll delete the part of the flower which I don't like. And let me start all over again. So I'll go back to the paint tool. Here you can also choose the pen size. So I've taken the second size and let's draw a flower. There you go. Now a flower can't be black. I mean, it wouldn't look nice. I want a red flower. So here you can go and pick the color, which is red. And then you click outside and fill the bucket with red color. Now the border is also coming to be black. So you could either choose the red color in the beginning and draw using the same pen tool, or you can change this border color by using a bucket of red color. So that's how you can also fill the border with red. Now I want to use another color, say yellow. So I click on yellow, pick the color yellow and draw a circle in the center. So that's how I want the flower to be. Now let's draw a stem which is of green color. So I'll pick, you can choose any shade from here. You can just move this circle and choose the color that you want. Let me choose this shade. The final shade that you have chosen will be seen in this block. Now let's click outside and draw a stem. So now you can see that my pen tool has selected green color. You can also, now as you can see, you have drawn a flower and in the background there is a lot of empty space. So you can remove it by simply going here and clicking on crop the sprite. So once you click on this, your sprite will be selected according to its size. And then you can go to code and choose this sprite that you have created from here. And then you can choose the location. Now let this flower come here, and that's how you make your own sprite in the Sprite Lab.